For this exercise, we'll again be working with the Customers collection. Find the Customers collection in the connection tree and double-click it to open. It'll open in its own tab. Next, over on the upper right-hand side, click Visual Query Builder to launch it. In the Query section of the query form, select the drop-down menu list in the upper left corner and choose the Has Array Elements Matching option. Studio 3T adds the Array drop-down list at the top of the query section. From the Array drop-down list, select the Interest field, which is configured with the Array data type. Click the Add button in the box at the bottom of the query section. The form will expand to include options for defining a search condition. In the first drop-down list in the new Search Condition section, ensure that Array Element is selected, and over to the right is the Operators drop-down list, where equals is already selected. These options are typically selected by default, but you should always verify your selections anyway. Now, in the text box beneath the two drop-down lists next to the box that lists string, type database. In the main window on the Customers Collections Result tab, select the Tree View option, if it's not already displayed, and then expand the first record if needed. Drag the last field at the bottom of that listing to the Projection section of the query form. Drag the Interest field to the Projection section as well. Now, click the Run button in the upper right corner. You'll see the results in the Customers Collections Result tab, and that the query has returned 22 documents. Now switch back to Table View. If the values in the Interest array are not displayed, right-click a value in the Interest column and then click Show Embedded Fields. Go to the Query Code tab now and view the Mongo shell code. It should look similar to the first find statement you created in the previous exercise. Leave the Customers Collection tab and Visual Query Builder form in place for the next exercise.